Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial we will talk about how to create such kind of model in SketchUp without using any paid plugin. So here we will use some plugin that is free of cost that you can download through the link in description. Okay, so let's start guys. So guys, first you need to draw a circle. So here I am drawing circle, okay, and then you need to draw a line from center of the circle. So press L and draw a single line, then rotate it at the angle of 45 degree, then press X and number of copies. So here I am typing X and 7 for a division. Okay guys, now guys we need to draw a arc line over here. So press A and then press upper arrow key to lock blue axis guys. Okay, so we need to draw an arc line, and then we are going to scale it from center of the arc, okay, to make it in a half oval shape. Okay, now guys select this oval shape line and then click over here, then just select the center line and then rotate it by pressing Ctrl for a copies while rotation. Okay, then press S and then scale it. Okay, look, your model just similar to the image. Okay, so here we need to draw a line and then move it little bit outside and then draw a double line both sides. So here we will use a soap skin bubble to make a skin over all the selected closed loop line. Okay, so now we need to draw a sail. So first close the line, then make it in a component. Okay, then double click, go inside, then press P and then move it at the center of the point. Now we will use a scale tool. Select the middle string with Ctrl to scale uniformly, then select upper portion and then move it down a little bit like that. Okay, now just go outside, select the model, press over here, click over the center, then move it at the angle of 45 degree. Okay guys, and for multiple you need to type X and 7 for a get number of copies over here. Okay guys, so guys, in next step we will use a solid tool of SketchUp to split all the individual model and delete after extras a splitting area so that we can create a void inside this model. Okay, so just follow the steps that I am doing here. First click on a split option, then first model and then click over the second model. That's it, you have to follow it. If your model is not solid, just use a solid inspector tool that is free of cost. There's a link in the description. So after doing this, we need to just go inside the model, delete every faces and just exploding all the models and going inside and delete extra faces of this model. Okay, so you can delete it just selecting every faces and the edges to create a spaces inside this model. That's it. Okay, now guys, next step is to create a surface over here. So select the all closed loop line over here guys that I have drawn before and click over the soap skin bubble, first option, to create a skin. Okay, for glass we again need to select closed loop line, first this arc line with Ctrl for multiple selection and then select upper portion of arc line. Okay, then click over soap skin bubble, first option, and then select this model and then click over here, type 2 and again select the model and click over the above option, and here I am typing 25 to make it more in oval shape like that. Okay, now I'm going to apply a glass material over here. Now we will use Pedo 6 push pull tool over here. Okay, So select the model. Okay, just go inside. If your model in a group, just go inside, select the all models by double triple clicking over the models, then press joint push pull and then type the thickness and then hit enter button. Okay, I have given a 10 thickness of this glass material. Okay, now same thing we will do with the front elements. Just select the entire model and then I am giving a thickness 30 okay, 30 to 40 just like that. Okay, now final touch, you have to select the all models glass and this one and then click over here, click over the center of the circle, press again, click here, then type angle. Here I'm typing 45, then press X and save it for a 7 times of copy, including 1 means 8 number of copy. Okay, so this is the method that you have used to create a multiple models, any complex model. Just you have to think of it, which plugin you have to use, and which plugin will give you a same result that are showing in a any image and that you want to create. Okay, so all the plugins are given inside the description. You can download through the link. And thank you guys, thanks for watching, and please follow me, and you can also join my paid private group where you can learn more, lots of tutorial inside that. Have fun guys, and see you next tutorial. Thank you.